Alright guys, so we're pretty well finally completely done the flatbed. Tomorrow's the day she's going to come off. Still going to have to cut maybe some lights here for some flush mount reverse lights. License plate's going to go right in the middle. This here rear plate can come off, so I can wire the lights and connect the bed. Bolt the bed down. Once I get the bed off, I'm going to add a sheet of metal back there against the cab. I also got plates here to cap off the lights. Later on down the road, we're going to have to make some side steps, but that's for another day. But the bed is pretty well all finished, all welded up, all ready to go. Got all new parking brakes everywhere. Got all the emergency brakes ran. They're just one cable away from working. So in here we have all the handbrakes coming up to one special custom made cable that come and connect all the way over here. That are teed off, going to be teed off on that there brake line. And now I just got to go get that one there measured and crimped. But yeah. So the project is moving along pretty good. Hopefully have the flatbed painted and everything completely done within the next 2 weeks. Little spoiler alert if you're from Moncton. Hopefully might be able to get into the Radical Speed Sport car show. I never really put a car or a truck in there before, but I figured right now would be the time because the truck is going to be freshly painted and never seen any mud yet. Not all scratched up and ruined. So yeah. But that's the plan. So anyway, so yet again for this year, it's just going to be a tag axle. The rear drive shaft, the rear end is not going to be connected. Just because I'm running out of time. And I'd like to be able to drive it for the summer and have another kid on the way. So, but hopefully for next year, next winter, we'll be able to put that transfer case in there and have it all connected to get 6-wheel drive. Yeah. Well, it sounds good. Thanks for watching. I'm so sorry that I haven't made many update videos, but you know, when you only work on it an hour here and there every couple of days and at night, and by the time you're done your whole work day, when you come here after supper time, you know, your phone is half dead, so I can't take a video and stuff like that. But yeah. I was debating about maybe building toolboxes, but they would not be big whatsoever. So I think I might just leave it blank. Got to walk around. Anyway, comment what you guys think. What kind of style footboards I should make. Maybe even a rear axis for the bed. I'm gonna have to think of some sort of handle here. Hopefully it won't get too hot because that there's exhausts. Yeah, stacks coming out. So. Oh, and also, yeah, at some point I just ordered a air cylinder that'll hopefully fit this here fifth wheel, because that there's what I'm using. I'm going to use because it's the most simplest, easiest way. And it'll probably be pretty convenient because I'll be able to slide, like I say, from the middle of the rear axle to up in the middle. Now that I think of that, I'll add a picture that I took. I backed under one of our trailers and the trailer does fit. There is enough room to bring the trailer up close enough to the hitch and it not interfere and the pin be pinned between both axles. So thanks for watching, and hopefully in a week or two I'll have another video with everything painted and completed and road legal. And like I say, if I'm lucky and they accept me for the Moncton Radical Speed Sport, well, might see you there. Thanks. See yas.